Hello, today I'm going to show you how to top up and check your windshield wiper fluid at a Smart ForTwo. Open the service cover on the front side of your car, and under it you can see some tanks, and one tank of it is for the windshield wiper liquid over there. If you're standing in front of the car a little bit right, there it is. This will get the liquid to get on with a pump, to get this on your windshield. This will remove, it's the summertime, corpses of insects, and at the winter time it will make a clear and ice-free area. So to start, we are now open the cover of the top of the windshield wiper liquid tank, and then we have to know it is winter time or summertime. At the summertime we are using the summertime version of the liquid. This is in the front of the area with the yellow cap. And if you're going to winter time, there we have to perform a anti-freeze level with it. For this we are going to use the blue on the left side with the red cap liquid. This is the liquid for winter time. We can add a little bit of water, distilled water to it, to get the freeze level a little bit down. That means if you top up with the blue liquid on the left side, it will get you, I think, minus 30 degrees Celsius. But this is not so important because in Middle Europe it's not so cold anymore. For this we can add a little bit of the water, distilled water to it, so we can set up the right freeze level. To control this after top upping, we use a pipette for it. This pipette will give us the antifreeze information about this liquid we are topping now up. So let's start top up now a little bit. We now going to top up with the winter version. Let's start with the water and with the winter liquid. These two we will mix, and so if we are going to mix them, we can get the right temperature level for our windshield wiper fluid. Look at the information on the bottle itself. Some products you have to mix a little bit 1:1 or 1:2, etc. But there's no problem. You can top up until your three bubbles are coming. This is the upper version then it's enough to top up. There is no problem if it's leaking a little bit over the cap. It's not so hard with it. So that it is. Now we get the full liquid inside. You can mix it with some distilled water, no problem. But do not mix it with the summertime version. Now the pipette time. Dip a little bit of the water liquid into the pipette and have a look. This is minus 15 degrees Celsius. This is enough in Middle Europe, no problem. So let's get back the liquid into the tank, and that it is how to top up your windshield wiper fluid, winter and summer version. It's important to top up with the right liquid, because do not use only water, because in the liquids for the winter and summertime there is a lubricant added which lubricates your pump inside the windshield wiper circuit. So now close the cover and job's done. That it is how to top up and check your windshield wiper fluid for summer and winter time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.